Hey guys, welcome to another episode of Above the Fold. So side note here, I'm really loving my outfit today. I really love these earrings. They're so cute. They're called shooting star earrings. And yeah, I think they're so cute. I'm going to leave the link in the description box below. And also, I'm really loving my top today. It may not look like much, but I'm going to throw it up here. But yeah, it has such a sexy back. And I think it might be a little much if you're wearing it to work, but I think it's definitely a nice top to wear if you're going out or you have something special to do. But anyways, so today with Valentine's Day fast approaching, I thought I'd do another one. You just did one. Did you guys hear something? Or okay, well anyways, so as I was saying, I wanted to do a flirty and romantic look, perfect for when you're hanging out with your boring. Okay, I feel like I'm hearing something, but I'm not quite sure. Maybe it's my imagination. It's not your imagination. It's me, the voice inside your head. Remember? I tend to steer you in the right direction. What I'm trying to say is, I thought you wanted your channel to be exciting. Don't you want people to subscribe? Yeah, I want people to subscribe. That is correct. Well, how are you going to do that if you do the same thing over and over again? You know, you gotta keep your content fresh. You gotta keep people on their toes, spice things up. Okay. So as I was saying, with Lunar New Year fast approaching, I thought I'd do a red glittery eye look. Much better. I think you're totally getting the hang of this YouTube thing now. Okay. So yeah, I'm going to do a red glittery eye look that I wanted to share with you guys today. If you guys want to see me go from this to this, then stick around and watch the tutorial. And stay tuned to the very end because I'm going to be sharing with you guys 5 fun facts about Lunar New Year for people who aren't super familiar with the holiday. So stay tuned for that as well. Okay, so the first step you want to do is go ahead and prep and prime your face, which I have already done so, and I also took a stab again at filling in my eyebrows. Again, if you guys know of any great resources, do let your girl know because I am still learning how to fill in my eyebrows. Okay, so after that, I'm going to go ahead and prime my eyes. So I'm going to be using my Urban Decay Primer Potion. Okay, so after I have primed my eyes, I'm actually going to take that additional step I've been doing in all my videos, which is applying the tape. And then today I'm going to be using my Too Faced Pumpkin Spice palette, and I'm going to first start off by applying all over the lid this really pretty apricot shimmery shade. It's called Crisp. And I'm going to be applying a generous amount and above and beyond the area where my eye socket sinks in because I'm going to be doing a glittery floating liner, so I want all the colors to really be visible and really show up. And then after that, I'm actually going to be going in with a transitional shade. So I'm going to go in with Fall for it, like this really pretty orange shade. And again, I'm just going to be shading a generous amount. I just want all the colors to be very visible even after I draw in the floating liner. And now for the overarching color that I want this look to have, I'm going to start going in with some red shades, and this is going to be like the deepest shade. So I'm going to go in with this color called You Spicy, and I'm just going to shade below that area that sinks into the eye socket. Just such a lovely shade. The deepest shade, which is the red shadow, I'm actually going to go in with my angled brush, and I'm going to go in with this dark color. It's like this dark brown color called Warm and Cozy here, and I'm just going to kind of sketch out where the glittery floating liner is going to be. So I'm going to follow along the line of where my eye socket sinks in, and just kind of extend it out at the end. And I'm going to go ahead and remove the tape. And I'm going to first go ahead and take some of this red shade and apply it to my lower lash line just to create a more cohesive look. And I'm going to go ahead and highlight my inner corners. So I'm actually going to go in with this shimmery shade called Oh My Lord from the palette, and just highlight and really open up my inner corners as well as my brow bone as well. After that, I'm going to take my MAC eye pencil and Teddy, and I'm just going to define my lower lash line and just add some more definition. And then I'm going to take my glitter liner. It's in the color Hey Mr. DJ from the Too Faced Glitter Pop Peel Off Liner, and I'm just going to trace along the floating liner outline that I had drawn. I'm going to take my Pretty Easy liquid lining pen from Clinique, and I'm also going to draw kind of a kitten liner. So after I have applied the eyeliner, I'm going to go ahead and pop on the falsies. I'm going to be using my Idole Natural Lashes. Now that the falsies are on, I'm going to go ahead and show some lower lash love. I'm actually using a new mascara today. I'm using my Lancome Hypnose Drama mascara, and I'll probably do a review on it, but I'm actually quite loving the wand, and it creates quite voluminous lashes, so I'm pretty happy with the results. go ahead and start applying the blush. So I'm going to be using my Too Faced Perfect Blush Blush. And then for the highlighter, I'm actually going to be using a new product. I'll probably just do a video where I talk about all the new products I've been purchasing and my thoughts on them. But it's the Too Faced Prismatic Highlighter. And it's in the color Blinded by the Light. And it's quite pigmented and shimmery, so I'm pretty happy with the result. For the finishing touch, which is a lipstick, I'm going to be using my Lancome Absolute Rouge lipstick, and I always forget the name of this product, but I will put it in the description box below. But it's just this really pretty frosted bronze type color lipstick, and I think it's great for if you go really heavy on the eyes, you can balance it out with a somewhat more toned down lipstick, or at least that's the approach I like to take. And there you have it. This is the finished look, guys. Okay, so number one fun fact is the festival date changes every year. It is based on the lunar calendar, which is the movements of the moon. So it usually falls between mid-January to mid-February, and this year it is occurring on February 12th. The second fun fact is each Chinese New Year starts a new animal's zodiac year. So there are 12 animals. The animals are the rat, the ox, the tiger, the rabbit, the dragon, the snake, the horse, the sheep, the monkey, the rooster, the dog, and the pig. And this year is a year of the ox. 3 is this celebration is quite long. It lasts for 16 days until the Lantern Festival. Number 4 fun fact is a tradition usually begins with a family reunion dinner where a lot of delicious food is consumed. For example, spring rolls, dumplings, fish, rice cakes, and a lot of these food have symbolic meanings. So dumplings represent wealth. So the more dumplings you eat, the wealthier you will be in the coming year. Eat up. And the 5th fun fact is that the reason why you see a lot of red decorations, that red represents happiness, wealth, prosperity, and also can ward off evil spirits. So that's kind of the symbolic meaning behind it. And kids will receive red envelopes during this time. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed these 5 fun facts. And if you celebrate Lunar New Year, I think this is a great look to rock. Thank you guys for watching, and stay tuned for more content from me. Thanks, bye.